Hey everyone, welcome to All Things Money YouTube channel, and this video is on how to buy a house. Buying a house can be an exciting and daunting process, but with the right information and preparation, it can be a smooth and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take in order to buy a house. First, you'll need to determine your budget. This means looking at your income, expenses, and any debt you have in order to determine how much you can afford to spend on a house. A general rule of thumb is to aim for a mortgage payment that is no more than 30% of your gross monthly income. Next, you'll need to find a home that meets your criteria. This can be as simple as searching for homes on websites like Zillow or Redfin, or it can involve looking at listings in person. Your real estate agent will also be an invaluable resource during this step because they can help you determine whether a home is worth the asking price and what issues may arise during the process of buying it. Next, you'll need to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This involves submitting a loan application to a lender and providing documentation such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. The lender will then review your application and determine how much they're willing to lend you. When you're ready to start looking for a house, make sure you have your pre-approval in hand. This way, sellers will know that they can trust you and won't waste time showing you homes that don't fit your budget. Once you're pre-approved, it's time to start house hunting. This involves researching neighborhoods, attending open houses, and working with a real estate agent. Your real estate agent will be able to provide you with listings that fit your budget and preferences, and can help you negotiate the price and terms of the sale. When you find a house you're interested in, you'll need to make an offer. This involves submitting a written offer to the seller, which includes the price you're willing to pay, any contingencies such as a home inspection, and a deadline for the seller to respond. If your offer is accepted, you'll need to submit an application for pre-approval or get a mortgage commitment from a lender. You can usually do this through your real estate agent when you find a house that's right for you. If your offer is accepted, it's time to get a home inspection. This involves hiring a professional inspector to examine the house and identify any potential issues or repairs that need to be made. Based on the inspection report, you may be able to negotiate with the seller to make repairs or adjust the price of the house. Your real estate agent will help you with this process. You'll need to decide on any contingencies first. These are conditions that must be met before closing can take place. For example, if your offer was contingent upon getting approval for financing, then the approval must come through before closing can occur. Next, it's time to get a home appraisal. This involves hiring a professional appraiser to determine the value of the house. The lender will use the appraisal to determine how much they're willing to lend you. If the appraisal price comes in lower than your offer price, you may need to make some changes. If you can't reach an agreement with the seller about repairs, then you may want to rescind your offer and look for another house. Assuming everything looks good with the inspection and appraisal, it's time to close on the house. This involves signing a lot of paperwork, paying closing costs, which typically include things like title fees, appraisal fees, and mortgage fees, and getting the keys to your new home. The length of the process varies from lender to lender and can range from a couple weeks to a few months. If there are any issues with your application or credit score, you may need to wait until those are resolved before closing can occur. After closing, there are a few more things you'll need to take care of. These include setting up utilities, transferring your homeowner's insurance, and getting any necessary repairs or renovations done. As you can see, the path to home ownership is a long one. It's important to plan ahead and ensure that you have all the information you need before starting this process. In summary, here are the steps to buying a house. Determine your budget. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. House hunt with a real estate agent. Make an offer. Get a home inspection. Get a home appraisal. Close on the house. Set up utilities and transfer insurance. Get any necessary repairs or renovations done. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident about the process of buying a house. Remember to do your research and work with professionals you trust. Thanks for watching.